They named me Jacob. Yaakov means heel grabber. Yeah, I got labeled a problem before I could even crawl. I came out of the womb chasing my brother's foot, like full-on ankle hold. I didn't lose the race, I just got here second, physically. When you grow up in second place, you don't just fight for blessings. You start thinking you have to fake one to be seen. And when your name means problem from birth, sometimes you live like that's all you are. So yeah, I pretended to be my brother. Goat fur on my arms, Esau's clothes. My dad, blind, literally couldn't see me. But spiritually, still saw more in Esau than me. I didn't steal the blessing because I hated my brother. I stole it because I thought God forgot me. It's wild how far you'll go to feel chosen, even if you have to lie to the one who should have chosen you first. You ever work 7 years for a woman and wake up married to her sister? No? Just me? Laban pulled a full Jacob on Jacob. Switched the bride, kept the goat. I mean, well played, uncle. I spent my life tricking people into blessings. Then I met a man who could trick with a straight face and still sleep at night. That was the moment I realized maybe I wasn't clever, just desperate. Esau's coming. 400 men with him. So yeah, I'm not exactly feeling safe and forgiven right now. I sent him goats, camels, servants, basically a mobile petting zoo. Thought maybe generosity could erase betrayal. But guilt doesn't stay buried just because you crossed a few borders. You can run from your brother. You can run from your past. But eventually, you run out of road. A man came out of nowhere. We fought all night. No name. Then he touched my hip. Just a touch. And it dislocated. That's when I knew this wasn't a man. I asked for a blessing. He gave me a new name. Israel. One who wrestles with God and lives. Sometimes, you lose the fight to win the purpose. Esau, my brother, hugged me. He didn't draw a sword. He didn't yell. He ran and hugged me. The brother I stole from. The one I ran from. He wept on my neck like I hadn't ruined everything. I thought I was walking toward revenge. But grace got there first. You don't have to trick your way into love. God already wrote you in.